In this video, I'll show you how to add Subscript in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. First, what is Subscript? Subscript is text that appears slightly below the normal line of text and is usually smaller. We often use it in science, maths, formulas, and chemical symbols. For example, this is H2O, which is for water. The 2 is slightly below the normal line of text and is smaller. In this example, I've written H2O and I want to make this to subscript. First, I'm just going to select it. Then I want you to go to Home at the top of the ribbon and look for the font group. Here we're going to look for the X with the 2 below. This is subscript. Select this once. And now the 2 is subscript. It's slightly below the normal line of text and is smaller. If you're like me and like quicker ways of doing things, there's a shortcut to do this instantly. Select the 2 again, then press Ctrl, Shift, and the minus key on your keyboard. And that will turn it into subscript. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you want to learn more about other formulas that you can use, such as superscripts, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.